One of my favorite actors right here.
Oh,
What are the chances,
it's a lot of trust here for a guy I just met.
I'm just gonna tune you up.
Please.
And let it fall.
Wow. Something just shook loose in my noggin.
Yeah, we kind of let it fall. That probably felt really good.
Yes, it did.
There we go. There we go. Some good stuff. You needed that, man. You're stiff in there. Just relax.
Oh my God.
That hip. There it goes. You felt that in that hip area too, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you wear your extra tight pants. That's actually perfect. It's already popping. Yeah. Now just relax it for me, okay? Also me. I got you. Oh, wow. Damn.